What do you think about this? Something like that. Slightly coming.
I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man, Richie Mack. The Travel OG. All right. Welcome to Songkran 2023. This is the Thai New Year where things get wild and wet. What makes this year so special is that it's been 3 years since they were able to commemorate one of the most celebrated festivals in Thailand. As y'all can tell, I lost my voice out here in the water. Don't come outside during Songkran if you don't plan on getting splashed. Songkran brings together locals and tourists alike and tourists.
What up, brother? Yes, sir. How you doing, man? You good? You having fun? All right, bro. Enjoy.
Large crowds gather to participate in water fights and soak up this Thai tradition. However, amidst all the fun and cheer, it's imperative to remember the essence of the festival, which is to shed off the old year's negativity and welcome new beginnings with a fresh and positive outlook. This sentiment is reflected in the act of pouring water.
I told you not to spray me. I told you not to spray me. I've had enough of this.
People get really upset about getting water thrown on them in one of the biggest holidays in Thailand. Imagine if a foreign person came to the United States on the 4th of July and he got mad at everybody for lighting fireworks. Imagine how ridiculous that sounds. Well, that's what it feels like to Thais when foreigners get mad about getting wet in the middle of a holiday water fight. The aromas of various Thai dishes can be smelled all over. Street food is off the chain. The sweet smell of jasmine, which is an important symbol of the Thai New Year, along with the amazing Rolling Loud concert, has made this year's Songkran one of the most memorable experiences to date. I also ran into the big homie. He gave his unbiased take about Thailand as well.
They call me the mayor of Thailand, but what you tell me, what you about to get into? What you about to do?
They call me the mayor for real. I've been all around the town talking to everybody, just kicking it. Let's go, champ. I done talked to everybody in this neighborhood. They know me, everybody. They like, yo, what up, champ? And they like, well, yo, there you go. You know what I mean? They just, that's just champ. I done got familiar with everybody. I'm walking around the town. I'm politicking, like Raekwon said. I'm politicking, just being nice, being humble,
yeah.
giving that vibes, respect, and staying out the way, as the kids say, and just enjoying life, man. Walking in the road, and just humble, man. Just like, wow, look at these people over here who don't have everything, but they living and making a life, you heard?
Happy.
So, man, happy.
Stress-free
You feel
life.
me? Happy, living good. For real. Listen, we working on the fight. Rampage is still on.
Wait. Hold on. What did I just hear? What did I just hear? Rampage.
I just talked to him. I talked to him last night. He's still ugly. He still look retarded. Excuse my language, no disrespect to the handicap, but he still look mentally insane. Like, what's that movie, The Goonies, with the head? That's how he looks.
He's nervous. Oh. Brooklyn.
Let's go, champ.
Brooklyn.
Let's go, champ.
Oh. Hold on, champ.
When he picked up the phone, I was like, oh, you ugly. Yo, anyway, The Goonies, right? Yo, listen, champ. Listen, it's still on like popcorn. We got, some seafood. And they're going to put it together in Junior. We're going to make it happen. Yo, finally, once and for all, I don't care if I'm in a wheelchair. I'm going to roll up on you and give you one right across your big stick.
So I want to make sure everybody understand this. So we got Shannon Cannon Briggs versus
Yep.
Rampage Jackson.
Yes, it is.
It's really going to happen.
It's going to happen.
Don't be capping on my channel now.
I'm dead ass. That's what I came out here for. Partially that. I'm out here with my...
Neff in the building. Shout out
to Starter, rapper in Thailand. We just shot a whole movie out here based on the rapper's experience in Thailand.
Nice.
And we also shooting a few more movies. We're trying to bring a movie industry here, an indie film industry here, and get the Thai people involved, the Muay Thai fighters involved. Shannon's gonna be the star. He'll be like The Rock out here.
Hey, let him do what he do. You know what I'm saying? He got the personality for it.
Thank you, brother.
He got the fucking hands for it, but you don't want to see Zoom. You don't want to see Zoom.
Zoom will mess me up, man. Zoom, don't play with Zoom. Zoom, you see it? Look. Oh, wait a minute. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute. One more time.
Richie gonna need CPR in a minute.
Wait a minute. He might have some, y'all. He might have some. That hook can catch somebody, it's over.
Theme music.
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mack, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mack, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mack, travel OG, let's go.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and notify. The algorithm is real.